Hi, I'm the Nottingham lass and today we are at Rufford Park in Nottingham and it's so sunny today. What is it, the hottest day of the year? And it feels so nice. The sun is on my face, it feels hot. Yes. Yeah. Big seats. Hello. 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 It's a flower pot man. Very nice mushrooms. Crazy artwork there going on. Here we are. He's a cool dude, isn't he? He knows what he's doing with that thing. If you enjoyed this video, comment, like, share, and if you want to see more of this beautiful face, the links are below. Also, please, please, please don't forget to press that sexy red subscribe button, and I'll see you guys soon. Laters, bye.